Alright, see what happens. Oh! Alright. Look at this fucking thing. Let's see. Look at that mint patching job. Yeah, it's fucking old. Oh, it's gonna be noisy as fuck. But you're just gonna have to deal with it. Alright, I'm back. It's actually quite surprising. Let's rip out the old fucking old spray shit. Alright, I think we're good. Look at that. Oh. 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 Nah, we're good. Mint. Mint. Okay. Spray those. How are those not leaking? Is the big question. By Jesus. I think she's gonna hold. I think. Oh, look at this thing. This trusty fucking steed. Oh, another one. Jesus Christ. I think I'm too good. Yeah, I'm not patching that tonight. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Yeah, with these ones, how are these not leaking? Nope. Another one. So many fucking leaks. Oh. There's one. There's one. Great googly fucking moogly. Oh no. That didn't stick. Didn't stick one bit. Nothing a little post action can't fix. Let's go over this side with a fine tooth bottle of water. I don't know if I said it or not, but if I can get a fucking afternoon out on this thing, I will be so happy. Because I paid $0 for this boat, paid $30 for that patch kit on Amazon. Fucking outboard, got that for free. Got that from a neighbor. I spent about $30 on AliExpress on some fucking piston rings and a head gasket. Like, yeah, if I get an afternoon of this, like, I will be tickled. Absolutely tickled. Let's see here. Let's do another section. Oh, here we go. Yep. Is that a hole? No. Okay, we're good. It's a weird feeling too, talking to the camera, because this is like kind of what happens inside my brain. What? What the fuck? Just what in the world? Cool. How's that not leaking? Again. Good enough. POV. I have no idea if this mic's gonna be way too loud, but fuck is. How's that not leaking? I don't know, but I do have to fix that. I don't like that little burr looking thing. Da-da-da-da. If you guys are curious, ChatGPT, that powerful tool that is, that told me that the ideal mix is 3-to-1. 1 part dish soap, 3 parts water. And gotta be honest, looks pretty fucking good. Look at that. That will tell you. That'll learn you. What do I do, YouTube? Do I do it for the views? It seems to be like the pinch points on us that are leaking. That one's going like a motherfucker. Ooh, the bubbles. Again, if I can make it down to the water and have an afternoon listening, like that's all I could ask for. What can you expect from a free boat? You know? Nope, another one too. Look at that. There's so many fucking holes. You can bet your ass I'm gonna send it to. Alright, let's get out the fucking yellow paint marker. Something fancy. Down this one. Okay, there. Of course. Oh, there we go. I don't think. I think I just got sidetracked, but. Good fucking thing I'm looking at this. Holy shit. Where were you? Where were you? Just saw it. What the fuck? Boop. Ba-doo ba-doo. Okay, it doesn't exist. That's fine. It's only a minor hole. We're fine. I mean, honestly, too. Like, no, in all respects. I can fix these holes, call it a day, never look at it again, and bring a bike pump. Bring a bike pump with me. Fill it up every fucking 30 minutes or something. Oh, this thing's gonna float. It's gonna float good. Whether it likes it or not. It's gonna float real nice. Oh, I love it so much. Jesus Christ.